Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Have a few knives to show you. I got this Melon Tester here. It's a Colonial. About a 5 or 6 inch blade right there. They would use this knife to take a plug out of a watermelon to see if it's ripe or not. And melon testers usually have the spear point blade, and some of the more recent ones have serrations all the way down the edge of the blade here. Now this one packs a powerful snap, I'll tell you. I'm going to get my fingers out of the way and watch. I mean, that, you just don't want that thing coming down on your fingers. But that's a cool one. Here's another one. This one is, let me see. I think this is the, yeah, this is the one that's a Japanese brand. It's got a plastic handle here. It doesn't have quite the snap, you know. It's been used, sometimes they call the melon knives sausage knives. I'm not quite sure why yet. Need to do more research. But there's another one, and another one here, a little bit smaller, and that's a Colonial as well. Plastic handle. Some advertising on there. I can't read what it says. Okay, then we have almost looks like a melon tester, but it's a tomato tester, and it has some pretty serious serrations on it. It's deeply serrated. Nice to get through that skin on a tomato. Cut down through it. The tang on this, I don't know if it's readable here. It says Cem-Maniago Italy Stainless. Anyway, I don't know if you guys can read that, but there's the serrations. And also on the other side of this knife, it has a little fork kind of like thing where you could stab your samples. And seems well made. I got this for like $1.20 at the thrift store. I was happy to get it. Heinz Seed Company logo. When I first was looking into this knife, I thought it was a quill knife because of the shape of it and everything. And the quill knives are smaller, and they usually have like a coping blade or a pin blade. This one has a sheep's foot blade, but on the very edge, it has some serrations there. And so this is actually a florist knife, and it says Gowler right there, and on the tang it says, there's like it says like number or something. I can't read it. I haven't tried to clean it. I just don't want to ruin the knife. And it's got like a bone handle. It's pretty lightweight. But I would think this is probably from, I don't know, the early 1900s, or I don't know, maybe even earlier. Yeah, I really like that one. Has a little bit of a snap to it still, you know. Okay, and last we have this interesting glass fruit knife. They would use this to cut through fruit or cakes or, you know, whatever, tomatoes and stuff like that. There's a little box here. I would think it's probably from like the 1950s or something. And it's got this cool little kind of a tissue newspaper style. I don't know what you want to call it. It just tells a little bit about the knife and what to use it for. Ideal for cakes, pies, meringue, and bananas. Blah blah blah. Anyway, that's it, guys. So here's the knives again. Thanks for watching.